Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's shine a light on the word headlights. It's not just about illuminating the road. There's more to this term. Let's brighten up our knowledge. Meaning. So, headlights are the powerful lights at the front of a vehicle. They're not just for seeing. They also help others see you on the road. Usage. Imagine driving at night with your headlights cutting through the darkness, or using your high beams to see farther. Examples. Think of headlights guiding you through foggy weather, or the polite gesture of dimming your headlights for oncoming traffic. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhɛdઃlaɪts. Pretty bright and clear, huh? Different uses. Ever heard of turning on your headlights? It's not just about visibility. It's a safety measure, especially during dusk and dawn. Conclusion. If the world of headlights is brightening up your day, consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more enlightening word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.